Hello and welcome to Emily Oliver Beauty. Happy 2018. Today I want to talk about hair, and I also want to talk about an amazing partnership that I have with Influenster. Influenster is a company that sends me product in exchange for honest reviews. I was really excited to have the opportunity to try a hair product out because I feel that my hair is always in disrepair. It is by L'Oreal and it is called the Elvive Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. What I was really impressed with is that its slogan says proven one use, and I thought there's no way that is going to be actually helping my hair in one use. That's just too crazy. But it actually does. I was pleasantly surprised and I love it. I'm going to insert my before and after photos here so you guys can see how much of a difference this has made. I have been using it continually now for about a month, which is why this review is a little bit delayed as to when I first posted about receiving the product, which is around Christmas. Just wanted to give enough time to try it out and see how it actually works long term and also short term. Short term, I was wowed. Long term, I'm converted. It is so good. It's only $5.99. On some markets, it's like $6.99, I think. But for that price point, and you guys, I am so used to buying the most expensive hair products because I think it's all gonna work and then being disappointed. Whenever I review a product, I like to talk about pluses and minuses. For me, the smell is everything. It smells so good. It has almond in it, which is really replenishing for the hair, and it helps strengthen, and it just smells amazing. I love the efficacy of it. This product works. So when they say it's gonna actually help your hair, it does. Things I didn't love, packaging. When I first got it, I think mine was damaged because this was happening. So I sat there, you guys, trying to open this stupid package like this, thinking that that's how I was gonna get into the product until twist off, hello. But you can see how much I've used. It's awesome. Things I don't love in general are scooping into containers to get product out. I'm less persnickety about it when it's a hair product versus a face product because I feel like with the face you want to be super hygienic, and using your hands to dig into a container is just a great way to breed bacteria. I would like to see this in a squeeze tube. It just would be nicer, especially so that way shower water or bath water doesn't get into it while you're using it. But that's, again, me being hypercritical about the product. In my perfect world, it'd be in a tube with like little lines that show me how much to use and all that good stuff, so that way, yeah, I know that I'm on the right track. As it is, I think I'm using too much of the product, but I love it, and it feels good, and it smells good, and it's $6, so I figure, you know what, let's just do this thing. Have you guys tried this? What do you recommend? Do you always do salon, or do you always do drugstore? Do you use a combination of both? I would love to hear from you. Please comment below. Please like the video. If you guys also want to reach out to me on Instagram, I'm at EmilyOliver08. You can catch up with my life there. You can also comment here, and I will make sure to address your questions. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and yeah, enjoy! And thank you again, L'Oreal and Influenster, for sending me this amazing product to try. I am absolutely in love.